Go.
So before we proceed, may we all stand up for our prayer. Amen. So good morning, everyone. Good morning, class. So before we continue to our lesson, so in this classroom we have classroom rules that we need to follow. So the classroom rules are: be respectful, raise your hand, listen carefully, and keep clean. Okay. So let's check the attendance. Let's check the attendance. So may absent ba ngayon or may mga lumiban sa klase? Okay, very good, wala. So before we proceed to our topic, so we're going to review what was our last topic yesterday. Okay, our last topic yesterday is all about the weather cycle or types of weather. Okay, I'm going to show you a picture. So the children is playing under the sun. So is this harmful or not? So maybe for if you stay too long under the sun, it is harmful. But if you stay for a minute, maybe it's not. Okay. So I will going to show you four pictures, thumbs up if it's harmful or not. So first picture. Okay, thumbs down because it is harmful to stay under the sun for too long. Next, is this harmful or not? Not. Okay, thumbs up. So it's not harmful because you're helping your mother dry your clothes. So, is this harmful or not? Okay, thumbs up. It is harmful because the flower will going to die under the sun because it is scorching hot. So, last picture. It is harmful or not? So, thumbs down. Thumbs up because it is harmful because the ice cream is melted. Is melted or melting. So very good. So our topic today is all about the effect of the sun. So I'm going to read to you our learning objectives. So our learning objectives for today is identify beneficial and harmful effect of the sun, heat, and light. Demonstrate safety precautions against overexposure such as using sunblock, hats, and umbrellas. And lastly, appreciate the importance of the sun while being aware of its harmful uses. So let's discuss the beneficial effect of the sun. So the sun is the source of the energy for life. The sun provides the energy needed for plants to perform photosynthesis, which produces oxygen, forms the base of the food. So what is photosynthesis? So photosynthesis is all about the plants absorbing the heat of the sun. Okay. So support human health. So sunlight helps the body produce vitamin D, which is essential for strong bones and a healthy immune system. So if you stay for quite a bit under the sun, so it gives you or produce vitamin D. Then improves mental well-being. Exposure to sunlight can boost mood, help regulate sleep cycle. So if you stay under the sun, you are going to sleep nicely. So let's proceed to our harmful effect of the sun. So harmful. So nakakasita sa atin. So first is skin damage. Too much ultraviolet or UV radiation can cause sunburn. So you will get sunburn if you stay under the sun for too long. Premature aging and increase the risk of skin cancer. Next is heat-related illness. So prolonged exposure to intense sunlight can lead to dehydration, heat exhaustion, or heat stroke. So if you stay long under the sun, if you stay a bit long, so you're going to dehydrate. So heat exhaustion or heat stroke. So next is eye damage. Direct and long-term exposure to sunlight can harm the eyes and increase the risk of vision problems. So if you look at the sun for too long, your eyes will be damaged or eye damage. So you're going to have vision problems. So next is next is this staying safe while beneficial from the sun. So how can we be safe under the sun? So first is use sunscreen. So using sunscreen SPF 30 or 40. Yeah, maybe the skin, or maybe your skin will be protected, or your skin will be protected. Next is wearing hats, sunglasses, and protective clothing. So if you're going outside and it is so hot, you need to wear hats, sunglasses, or protective clothing so you will not get burned. So use umbrellas or stay in under shaded area. So if you're going outside, you need to have an umbrella, or you need to stay in like shaded place, like under the tree or under your roof, like that. So avoid midday sun when UV rays are strong. So avoid going out if the sun is too hot or UV rays are strong, because you will get sunburned. And lastly, stay hydrated. Stay dehydrated. Drink a lot of water. So next is so what should I do, or ano ang gagawin natin? So I will group you into two groups, and each group will be given scenario. Will present what items should be used in a scenario when it's that. So do you understand? Okay. So our first scenario is helping parents garden in backyard. So scenario 2, swimming at the beach. So you're going to do your task. Are you done? Okay, very good. So lastly, we will going to have a quiz, or what we call evaluation. So this is our quiz or evaluation. So first is list 2 beneficial effects of the sun. Next is list 2 harmful effects of the sun. And number 3, give 3 items to use for protection on a sunny day. So I'm going to explain to you. Number 1 is list beneficial effect of sun. You're going to list what can you get, or what can you benefit from the sun. So number 2 is harmful effect of the sun. So what can the sun do to you if you stay a little bit longer? The number 3, give 3 items to use for protection on a sunny day. So you're going to give me 3 items, or write 3 items that can protect you from the sun. So are you done? Okay, very good. So that's all for today. So goodbye, class. Okay.